Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you around our resource planning. So first of all, let us go to our resource planning module. You need to click on browse modules and then you need to go in resource planning in advanced module. Click on this now. Once you will come in resource planning, please check there is one of our report which is OC expanded view. What exactly is the OC expanded view? So it is similar like the order confirmation but with the detailed view. So suppose if I go ahead and select any of the OC, go below and click on generate report. Once I will click on generate report, please check all the details which are coming, that will be coming along with the order and bill of material details, so that exactly you will be getting the number around the OC. So please check, most of the columns are similar but few of the detail are additional in this particular report. So you can very well go ahead and check the entire detail of your OC planning, order confirmation planning, from this report. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.